guys, today I'm here with Queen Virgin Remy hair. This is the packaging, so let's get into it. First thing I'm seeing is the wig, alright, which we're gonna get into in a few. And I also got this cute little drawstring bag branded Queen QVR, which is Queen Virgin hair, and it lists their website as well. Just perfect for storage of the wig. There's also a thank you card inside here with like a 10% off code and everything. Their social media is listed on the back, and then there's a little pouch here. Everything is branded, by the way. Edge version comb. And lastly, in the box I have a elastic band, one that's not necessarily branded, and I really love these ones because, you know, they're just solid and, you know, can be easily worn with like anywhere and with anything, you know, just to keep your lace down if you need it to be held. So that's very convenient. Okay, so inside of the wig bag I got a pair of wig caps. I'm excited because I'm seeing this gorgeous highlighted Bodywave wig. It's a full-on lace front wig, and it's a 13x4. Very excited for this. It's a medium brown lace. There's an extra elastic band attached on the inside of the cap that's adjustable, as well as 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. This is a very full wig. It's very, very soft, so I love that. Like, it's very fluffy. In terms of the density and the length, I'm going to put everything in terms of specifications in the description box. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that out. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Now that I show you guys that, let's go ahead and jump into installation. I'm gonna go ahead and for my adhesive, I'm taking my Ebony New York lace band, and I'm just gonna do like 1 layer. You know the vibes, just something that's gonna be nice, quick, and flawless. I mean, for the hairline, it's not like deeply plucked, so if you want to get like more of a graduation, you could go in and pluck further, but to be honest, it's not dense. Like, it has a really nice realistic look to it still, even though it's not deep with the graduation. So you could really just decide on what you want. It's all about preference. So I'm gonna speed through this portion, and I'm gonna dry it down with cool air from my dryer. This is how the curls are looking. It looks so good. It's very nice and full, and the highlights are really subtle. So like, if you're really trying to like cross over and do a little bit of color, I feel like this would be perfect for you. I'm gonna dibble and dabble a little bit in something like different, a whole different look, a whole different vibe. Then you could go ahead and try this out, and it's very soft, you know. So yeah, but what I'm gonna actually do is, I think I'm gonna do a center part today, and I'm just gonna run back through some of the hair with my flat iron. Not my flat iron, my curling iron. To refresh the waves. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I just went ahead, refreshed, you know, the waves in the front. This is how it's looking. It looks so good, right? Very nice and effortless waves. And I feel like this color is perfect for the summertime. What do you guys think? I think it's perfect for the summertime. As I said, especially if you're not trying to be too like bold. Let me know what you think. But so far the shedding is on a minimal level, and it is also processed for, so I noticed for the parts that are like highlighted, they're a little coarse, and I've experienced this in the past with color wigs as well, but it's not like extremely coarse, you know. So because those parts are processed as well, you will experience a little bit more of that, and this can help to accelerate shedding a little bit. But it's not excessive, so that's a good sign. The overall quality feels good, you know, so I think it's a go. I'm going to be sure to list the direct link to this wig, so be sure to go ahead and check out my description box if you're interested in getting this for yourself. And the specifications will also be listed, so do check that out. And that's it for today's wig look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It looks so good, right? Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.